Okay, we're on our way to Trail Ridge Road and Rocky Mountain National Park, and here's Gavin. Hey Gavin. Say hi to the audience. Hello. We're on our way.
Spoken mercy over me. No eye has seen, no ear has heard, no heart can fully know how glorious, how beautiful you are. Beautiful one, I love you. Beautiful one, I adore. Beautiful one, my soul must sing. Powerful, so powerful, your glory fills the skies. Your mighty works displayed for all to see. The beauty of your majesty awakes my heart to sing. How marvelous, how wonderful you are. Beautiful one, I love you. Beautiful one, I adore. Beautiful one, my soul must sing. Beautiful one, I love you. Beautiful one, I adore. Beautiful one, my soul must sing. You open my eyes to wonders anew. You capture my heart with this love, because nothing on earth is as beautiful as you. You open my eyes to
We're on the top of Trail Ridge.
you capture my heart with this love, because nothing on earth is as beautiful as you. Beautiful one, I love you. Beautiful one, I adore. Beautiful one, my soul must sing. Beautiful one, I love you. Beautiful one, I adore. Beautiful one, my soul must sing. And you open my eyes to wonders new. You capture my heart with this love, because nothing on earth is as beautiful as you.
Wow. Top of the Rocky Mountains. What?
Some say there's ghosts in the hills, and they're black as the coal, and voices voices that scream in the night from the deep dark below. There was poor Ivy Scratch and friends too many to name, who were caught in a thundering landslide, and there they'll remain. And I cry, oh Dad, don't go. He won't be coming home, no. And Mother, dear Mom, don't you know, feeling so old and alone. I'm the son next in line for the black lung dying, and just a few come back from the Rocky Mountain mine. We're much too poor to escape the weight of the earth, in tunnels and dust and fear. We will measure our worth. Here's our bones for the soil, our blood for the land, our souls for sweet Jesus, our bodies be damned. And I cried, oh Dad, don't go. He won't be coming home, no. And Mother, dear Mom, don't you know, I'm feeling so old and alone. I'm the son next in line for the black lung dying, and just a few come back from the Rocky Mountain mine.
Well, sometimes I wonder where my daddy's gone, but I know he's gone to the wilderness, and he ain't coming home. And then I get to wondering when it'll be my turn to lie down in that lonesome place, Lord, down under the ground.
It said the mark of Cain is on the miner's head, and it don't wash with light soap till he's good and he's dead. I saw my daddy wave from the top of the hill. He said, come along, son. I said, soon I will. And I cry, oh Dad,